Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the month of November 2023. November 3 to 7, 2023. Environmental and Cultural Exchange Program. The social work trainees of the PG Department of Social Work of our college visited 2 NGOs based in Nepal from November 3 to 7, 2023. The Feed Nepal NGO provided the trainees an opportunity for cultural exchange, and the trainees participated in the NGO's Feed Pro project, an initiative to provide protein-rich food to deserving school students. In their visit to Seam Nepal, an NGO that works towards sustainable environmental and ecosystem management, the trainees involved themselves in the Zero Polythene campaign of the NGO. The visit provided the trainees with a transcultural experience of field learning in global social work. November 4, 2023, Behavior Modification Diploma course. A 100-hour behavior modification diploma course spanning 6 months began on November 4, 2023 at the college premises. The course, which witnessed the participation of several school and college teachers, members of civil society and lay volunteers from within and outside the district, will cover the subjects of behavior dysfunction, behavior modification and behavior formation in different modules. The diploma course, designed as part of Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, the Drug-Free India campaign, is a joint venture of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, the Diploma Addiction Treatment Ministry and the District Social Welfare Department, Government of Tamil Nadu, and is coordinated by Dr. Father Francis Xavier Nelson, the Director of Tirupummunai Addiction Treatment Ministry. November 6 to 23, 2023, Semester Examinations. The odd semester examination for the academic year 23-24 was held from November 6 through November 23, 2023. Dr. Vinolia Josephine Mary, the Controller of Examinations, and Dr. Reggie, the Assistant Controller of Examinations, made all arrangements for the smooth conduct of the examinations. November 24 to 29, 2023, National Level Faculty Development Program. The Internal Quality Assurance Cell of a college, in collaboration with the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, organized a 5-day faculty development program on revolutionizing higher education with AI, quality assurance and pedagogical innovations. The resource persons, Dr. Vimal Gerald, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, in a 2-day hands-on session detailed on AI-enhanced education and technopedagogies in use. Dr. John Lovejoy, Associate Professor of the Research Department of English, St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, in his talk, illustrated the strategies for creative teaching through the use of illustration and activities. Dr. Jobik Siriak, Vice Principal and IQAC Director of Marian College, Kuttikanam, Kerala, underlined the shift from teaching to learning in higher education with the use of theme-centered interaction as a holistic pedagogy, and Father Matthew Pamben, Assistant Professor of the Department of Psychology, Anukraga College, Dindukal, reminded the learners about the need for emotional well-being, mind control, meditation and inner healing to achieve excellence in work. The FDP was coordinated under the aegis of IQAC, headed by Dr. Jimsi Asha, Dr. Sujita and team members. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College, Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.